igihugu kigomba kuba gifite umutekano. Uyu mutekano rero ubundi aho twari tugeze twari tumaze kuwumenyera nk'ibintu bisanzwe, nta n'igishobora kuwuhungabanya. We have taken it more or less for granted. And that was right, that we could make sure the country is secure to the point that we can take it for granted. We will continue to take it for granted by any means. And here I mean that we are going to raise the cost. We are going to raise the cost on the part of anybody who wants to destabilize our security. The cost is going to be very high, whether it's the means we are going to put into that to make sure that we have everything that it takes to ensure security and stability of our country and our people and our development. It's also the cost mainly that those people who destabilize our country, who want to destabilize our country, are going to incur. It's going to be a very high cost on their part, absolutely. And I mean it, and you know that I mean it. In fact, I want to warn some people among us who hide behind different things. They hide behind politics, democracy, freedom, or anything that we actually want, and it's our responsibility to ensure that there is democracy, there is peace, there is freedom, there is everything in our country. Primarily, we are the ones responsible, first and foremost. We. Me and you. So, for people who hide behind this nonsense, and they are even backed and praised by people outside, from outside. Bakaryoherwa muraza kutubona. And for those who are actually involved, they better come clean, so very fast, very fast. You have to come clean. You cannot be here benefiting from the peace and security that we have created, that we have paid for in blood over many years, and then you do things behind our backs and cause us problems. We will put you where you belong. There's no question about it. People who have been involved with the tragedy of genocide and have continued to play that politics and ideology, and they have gone to prison, then they have come out of prison, and for it we have forgiven them, and then they start playing those games again. We will put you where you belong. There's no question about that. And those ones who make noises about it, we will see what they will do. Yes, I'm telling those who play games with this nonsense and want to put us back where we have been and have left behind us. Let me leave it at that point. But people, you know, when it is here, we are responsible, we are in charge. When it is outside, the noises being made from the neighboring countries and beyond, and that one, there is not much I can do about it. And the best way is to ignore it. But anything crossing our border and coming here to destabilize us, we didn't have to prove that we can deal with it, but we'll prove that we can deal with it.